Imagine growing up in a bustling city like Abu Dhabi, feeling a little lost in the crowd. I was a shy and introverted kid who was drawn to arts. Growing up, I was very insecure about my crooked teeth. They were a source of endless jokes, and with each joke, my confidence shrank. But thanks to my dentist, he gave me something more than a straight smile. He gave me a sense of self-worth and confidence. Now this ignited something in me. This is when I knew I wanted to be a dentist. I always loved biology, but dentistry is art, it is science, and it is also the ability to restore somebody's smile. And not just their smile, but also give them the new confidence to walk through life. What I love the most about this journey is the people I meet. Every patient has a story, a unique reason for seeking care, and I get the privilege of being a part of their transformation. There's something incredibly rewarding about using my hands to not only create healthier smiles, but also to see the spark of confidence come back in their eyes. After years of learning and working in both Abu Dhabi and the US, I've experienced healthcare through different lenses. And now I feel a deep pull to bring the knowledge to New Zealand. I'm excited, eager, and ready to give back in a place that values community and care. Dentistry gave me my confidence back, and now I want to do the same for others. It's more than a job for me, it's my way of changing lives, one smile at a time.